Welcome to our guide on fixing Facebook call problems on your PC. Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Begin by refreshing the Facebook web page to reset any temporary glitches that may be affecting your calls. This simple step can often resolve minor issues. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For detailed instructions, visit your browser's support website. Clearing these can help resolve any browser-related issues impacting Facebook calls. If the problem persists, log out of Facebook Desktop and log back in to re-establish the connection. Sometimes relogging can address connectivity issues. Consider restarting your device by turning it off, waiting for 30 seconds, and turning it back on. This can refresh your device and potentially resolve the call problem. Switching to a different network or using mobile data may improve call quality if there are network issues affecting your calls. If the issue continues, reach out to Facebook support for personalized assistance in resolving your call problem. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and strong enough for making Facebook calls without disruptions. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions to Facebook in your browser settings. Adjusting these settings can enable successful calls. Grant necessary permissions to the Facebook website in your browser settings to ensure seamless call functionality. Adjusting permissions can help fix call problems related to website access. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Facebook call problems on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy smooth calls on Facebook with these helpful solutions.